Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, Rutherfordium. You're so early. Sorry, I had to shower. Hello, everyone. Yes, I already ate. I also brought water this time because I forgot to bring water yesterday. So yes, I brought water. I am ready. Hello, Shizu. Hello, Izalenar. Welcome to the live, everybody. Wait lang. There. Hello, Shattered Dream. No, you're not late. We just started. Do you want to do ano today, guys? Do we want equation of the line? Or eto, this one's Review Masters, like random questions, which is more of a refresher of what we know? Or do you want to discuss, like, the actual lesson na equation of the line? Wait lang, let me look for it. So, we are here sa equation of the line. Kasi mahirap siya i-explain. So, we have to either focus on this or that. Like, there are iba-ibang form, equation of the line lang siya. Equation of the line and line intercept. I'm from City of Mandaluyong Science High School. Equation of the line. Wait, I will put up a poll, guys. Let's put up a poll for 5 minutes. Make sure to share the live while people are coming in. So, let me just put up a poll. While we're waiting, you guys can ask any questions, like about courses or what campus you're gonna get. Late? You're not late, we just started. Okay, wait. Let me edit this. What to review? Equation of the line. General questions. Review. Oh, I can't add more. Okay, I'm adding a poll for 5 minutes. Let's do 5 minutes. Okay, the poll is up. It's over there. Up there on the corner. Do you want to do, because this is equation of the line, di pa natin nasa-start. So, remember we did coordinates 2 days ago. Manifesting makapasa sa RMA. Good luck. Oh, what do you study in ME? I'm very interested, but sobrang onti ng info. Hello, Kai. Okay, so wait, let me just explain this. So, guys, vote if you just got in. Vote in the poll. Do you want equation of the line or general math question? So, equation of the line, this is what we're gonna study. The slope y equals mx plus b. We're gonna go deep into this. I don't want science, sorry. And then, the general math questions is this one. More on ganito yung questions sa general math. Yung ganito yung inaaral natin. Do you see? So, more on word problems or basta basic math lang siya. This is the basic math. You're not late, Mythical. If you just got in, make sure to vote in the poll what we want. Do we want general math questions or do we want to learn equation of the line? This is general math questions over here. And then equation of the line is this one. Y equals mx plus b. Are you guys ignoring the equation of the line? I mean, we are in a democracy. Pero, miss ka na ni Sir Salvidar. Who are you? Are you from Mansai? That's crazy. He left us in the middle of the sem. We had a teacher, and then he in grade 11 he went, I think, like basta nag-ibang ano siya, high school. So he left us in the middle of the sem. Tapos siya yung pre-cal namin. And then alam ko mataas yung score ko nun eh bago siya umalis. I was like 49 over 50 or something in the periodical test. And then I was like, sayang naman, umalis na siya. He was pre-cal. Oh, you are? He's back, diba, in Mansai. Amazing. Why did you want equation of the lines? We are unfortunately in a democracy. So he's back. Yes, he's back. Do we want, so equation, guys, if you're new here, welcome to the 300 people. Vote in the poll. This is equation of the line. Y is equal to mx plus b. And then this is general math questions. So this is general math questions, more on the numbers, and then it's kind of easy to solve, so we're not teaching the lesson. But oh, guys, it's tied right now. Guys, please vote. Equation of the line or general math questions? No, I feel like half the people will be disappointed. Will you guys leave if you don't get what we want? Chay. 33 and 31 votes. Oh, 32 and 33 votes. Okay, keep voting, guys. There's 2 minutes left. Make sure to vote. Equation. Okay, how will I'll do this. This is. And then this. Oh, to the person asking what ME is. ME is more on solving. We solve stuff. So, ito yung general math questions in the right. This is equation of the line on the left. This is equation of the line. Did I apply for lipid? No, because I didn't want to be a med person. This is general math, guys. Yung mga gandang types ng questions. This is general math. And then this is equation of the line. So, if you just got in, make sure to vote. What are we studying today? This is equation of the line. Y is equal to mx plus b. Ayaw nyo ba aralin yan? Or alam nyo na siya? Or are you avoiding it? Left? This is the left. General math questions. 44. Oop. Just a difference of 5 votes, guys. People are now voting. Okay, 49 votes for equation of the 50 votes for equation of the line. General math questions is 53 votes. Are we gonna win by just 3 votes? This is basic math questions. This is equation of the line. But we eventually have to study equation of the line, I guess. Guys, hala! Oh my god, 30 seconds and it's a tie vote. Guys, to the 500 people, make sure to vote. Which one are we studying today? Equation of the line or general math questions? This is general math questions. This is equation of the line. Guys, you should plead your case to the rest of the people. 62 votes. How do I show the poll? Kita nyo ba yung poll? It's 62 and 62. Are we gonna keep it a tie? Thoughts sa Open U. It's a good way to get into UP. If you want to be, kasi more on online yung Open U. But better pa rin, I think, if you pick a campus. Okay, the poll ended. Guys, the general math questions was leading the entire time. But equation of the line won. Do you see the poll? 67 votes for equation of the line. Who has any negative reactions? Any violent reaction? Oh, 79 votes for equation of the line. 72 for general math questions. What mic am I using? It's a stand mic. 50. Okay na yan. Kami ang batas. But you're literally smiling right now. No, the other people are mad. Guys, don't leave. Okay. We are in a democracy, unfortunately. I mean, not unfortunately. So, I guess today, we're learning about X and Y intercept. We were supposed to continue this actually yesterday, pero umulan kasi ng malakas. Who wants a reboot? Nanalo yung equation of the line, guys. Kita nyo ba? 79 to 72 yung votes. 79 and 72. Math ba lagi? Yes, usually math ang tinuturo. I can also do language proficiency. Right now, I have given up on trying science. No, they don't want this. Okay. Okay, guys, so we're starting with this. Revote. No revote, accept the loss. Okay, patambay. Welcome to the people who want to tambay. Make sure to share and heart the live as well. Okay, guys. So we're continuing analytic geom, Cartesian plane. So we're starting with y-intercept. Do you remember how to find the slope? Do you guys remember how to find the slope? Ang gagawin mo lang is do this formula, rise over run. Need po ba mismo yung application yung pupunta sa UPD para i-submit yung Form 2B? Pwede siya i-grab, rise over run, yes. No, you're not late, you're just about to start. So today we're gonna teach line intercept. What does line intercept mean? Di kami pinasukan ng teacher namin dyan. Okay. That's why we're here to learn, guys. So, remember, okay, what did we do? So, yung form, okay, I'm using the wrong pen. When it comes to slope, so given 2 points, let's just recap the slope. This is the Cartesian plane. So, paulit-ulit natin i-drawing yung Cartesian plane. Kasi that's what this whole topic is about. And then, when it comes to 2 points, let's say these 2 points over here, it passes through a line like this. Tapos, yung line na yan, mame-measure yung slope niya through the difference of rise over run. What does rise over run mean? That's the pataas. Count how many units yung pataas. For example, this is 4 units pataas. So, that's equal to 4. Tapos, 4 units pa right. 2, 3, 4. So, that's 4 over 4. So, yung slope niya is equal to 1. So, thank you for the heart me. Thank you, Lusty, for the gifts. So, yes, ganyan yung guys. So, slope niya is equal to 1. When 2 lines are parallel, ano yung slope nitong isang guys? If parallel sila, same yung slope nila. So, 2 parallel lines have the same slope. Parallel equals same slope. And then perpendicular, pag perpendicular, it goes like this. Its slope is the negative reciprocal. Negative 1? No, it's positive 1. Bakit siya magiging negative? This is a Samsung tablet. Okay, so do you want an example? We can redo this number 1. All you have to do is y minus y over x minus x. So let's start with y. Negative 3 minus 0. You put over here. Tapos, you do 2 minus 3 over 2 minus 3. This will give you negative 3 over negative 1, which is just equal to 3. So that's how you get the slope. Yes, I have water for today. Thank you, AJ. Can't wait. Hello to the 700 people. May you go out? Kakasimula pa lang ng class natin. Why did you not go to the CR a while ago? May summative kami bukas. Good luck, monomial. Oh, are you like grade 8? Okay. Yes, we just started, guys. Today we just recapped the slope. Now we're going to line intercept. Okay, my course is management engineering. Water cameo. Okay, so what is a line intercept? Basically, guys, a line intercept is kapag may isang line, any line has a line intercept. Kapag, for example, diba itong line na to, dumaan siya dito sa x or y axis. Pag dumaan siya sa x-axis, yung point dito, the point is the x-intercept. Tapos, kunyari, idiretso pa natin to, dadaan din siya sa y-intercept here, which makes this the y-intercept. Kapag natamaan niya yung x-axis, x-intercept. Kapag natamaan niya yung y-axis, it's a y-intercept. So, paano natin yun isa-solve? May example ba dito? Walang example. So, for example, the intercept, sige. So, what you're gonna do is just, to get an x-intercept, set the y equal to 0. To get a y-intercept, set the value of x to 0. Let's look at the example. May example dito sa baba. Okay. Okay. Hala. Equation of the line to. We need to look for an intercept question. Oh, eto muna. Ay, hindi nyo pala alam. Do I keep going with the lessons muna or do we need examples for each lesson? Because I think we have to explain everything before answering these questions. Is it okay to keep going with the lesson? Okay, sample. I'll try to think of one. Bakit walang x-intercept? Okay, let's just give an example. Ako na lang gagawa. Grabe naman tong book, walang example. Okay. I'm gonna make an example. Let's make an example. So, given, for example, so ganito yung example ng line intercept. May given na equation of the line. An equation of the line comes in the form, for example, x minus y is equal to 4. Ayan, line yan, guys. Paano malalaman na line, something is a line? Kapag may x and may y, tapos hindi sila squared, bawal magkaroon ng squared, kasi magiging circle or parabola yan. Tapos, may number usually. Okay? So, ganyan lang. May x and may y na 1 degree. Okay. So, how do we get the x-intercept of this number? Gusto nyo, pwede natin i-graph. Okay. X-intercept is the value when y is equal to 0. So, to get the x-intercept of this number, x-int, ang gagawin mo, copy this, x is minus, set the y as 0. So, magiging x minus 0 is equal to 4. And then, you need to solve for x. X is equal to 4. University Wars, I'm not sure what that is. Do you get it? So, x-intercept is 4. What does it mean pag x-intercept is 4? Okay, I need to draw this, guys. What's the app? Oh no, what's gonna come out? What's the app for GeoGebra ba yun? We need to draw it. I will show you guys what it looks like. Need mag-sign in. Tinatamad ako. I don't wanna sign in. Desmos. Thank you. Pag yan, need pa rin mag-sign in. What? I have to sign in. Let me in. Log in. Open graphing calculator. Okay, let's put x minus y is equal to 4. Hello, let me in. How do I... Oh, log in. Hello. X minus y is equal to 4. Okay, so ito yung itsura ng x minus y, guys, is equal to 4. As you can see, yung x-axis niya, yung x-intercept, diba ito yung axis? Kita nyo ba? Yung axis niya passes through the point 4. So, ito yung x-axis. Ba't ayaw niya lumaki? Let me get bigger. Ayan, ito pala. Ay, hindi pa rin. Basta 4 siya dumadaan. Kita nyo ba? So, ayan siya pag dinrawing siya, guys. Dadaan talaga siya sa 4. Okay. So, dadaan siya sa, ang point na to ay 4, 0. Ganun siya. So, what will be the y-intercept of this equation of the line? All you have to do is set x as equal to 0. So, pag sinabing y-intercept, yung other letter yung is a set. Yes. So, you're gonna make this 0 minus y is equal to 4. Dapat maging y is equal to something. So, negative y is equal to 4. Paano gagawing positive y? Multiply both sides by negative. Kaya magiging y is equal to negative 4. Yes, kung kaninang kapart... Okay. So, as you can see dito, pagbalik natin, negative 4 naman ang katapat ng... Asan na siya? Can you see? Negative 4 yung number over here. Negative 4. Negative 4, 0. So, yun yung meaning. Pag sinet mo yung x as 0, ito yung lalabas. Negative 4. Okay. So, okay, Nico. UP grad. Good luck, Nico. Just put me on the side if you want. Okay. I'm gonna give an example. You guys have to solve it, okay? 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. What is the x-intercept? Find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. X-intercept muna. What's the x-intercept, guys? How do we solve for the x-intercept? Pag x yung hinahanap, y yung gagawing 0. Okay? Gagawing 0 yung y, so that will be 2x is so wala na to kasi 0 na siya. Hindi nyo na siya titignan. That will be 2x is equal to 6. So, divide both sides by 2. And x is equal to 3. So, ang x-intercept ay 3. Okay? And then, y-intercept naman is, what do we do for y-intercept? We have to get rid of x naman. So, gagawing x dito. And then, that will just leave us with negative 3y. Okay, what's the y-intercept, guys? It's not 2. So, this will be negative 3y minus 6. Divide both sides by negative 3. Bakit natin siya i-divide by negative 3? Kasi, kailangan mawala yung negative 3. So, pag dinivide yan by negative 3, it becomes y is equal to negative 2. Okay, and the way you write it, okay, yes. This y int is equal to negative 2. So, what is the coordinates of the x-intercept, guys? Ano yung coordinates ng x-intercept dito? It will be, is it 0, 3 or 3, 0? 3, 0 or 0, 3? Okay, 3, 0 kasi x yung may value. Sa y-intercept naman, y yung may value, kaya it's 0, negative 2. So, yan yung dalawang points. It's so hard to teach like from scratch, no? Ito lesson namin, wala akong natutunan. Just ask away. If you have any questions, just ask, guys. Mahirap talaga siya kasi parang wala siyang sense, diba? Like, hindi siya kailangan aralin. Saan ko to gagamitin? Hindi ko din alam. Pero, pag gets mo na, masaya naman siya. Okay. Thank you, Strawberry Choco. Okay, you're so late. It's okay, we just started. Okay. Now, moving on to equation of the line. Okay, so, since we know what a slope is now, grabe, uwian na po ba? Kakastart lang natin, guys. Since we already know what an equation of the line is, we just have to get through this. Quadrant naman, we've done the quadrants. Okay, may nagets ka. Okay. So, amazing. We're continuing the equation of the line. Basically, may iba't ibang form yung line, pero pare-pareho lang sila. Iniiba lang yung format niya. Okay? So, starting, there's this slope-intercept form, point-slope form, two-point form, we don't have to discuss that all, and others. Distance formula, ito pala yung midpoint formula kanina, yung sinolve natin kahapon. But yes, we're gonna go back here to equation of the line. So, the first form is the slope-intercept form, equation of the line. The form is y is equal to mx plus b. Now, what does all of that mean? Sabog ang utak. Actually, mahirap talaga to, guys. Kapo onti sa 2? Lagpas onti sa 2? What do you mean? Okay. Yes, I upload everything on YouTube, guys. So, make sure to subscribe. Let's get to 6K, please. Ang daming hindi mo rin mag-calculate. Kaya natin to, guys. Make sure to... Okay, what are we gonna do? So, what you have to remember is yung mga letters na y and x, yun lang yung letters talaga. So, x and y are actual letters. Yung m dito, pwede number yan, and yung b dito, number yan. Yung m is the slope. Remember, nag-solve tayo ng slope kanina. Tapos, b is the y-intercept. So, nag-solve din tayo ng y-intercept kanina. So, King James, thank you, King James. So, y is equal to a number, x, plus blank, which is letter b, or the y-intercept. Okay, sample daw. Find the equation of the line given the following. M is equal to 2 and y-intercept is equal to 1. So, anong gagawin natin dyan, guys? All you have to do, ito yung format natin. See this thing I squared? You just have to copy that. So, y is equal to, m is 2, so just put 2 here. 2x, y-intercept is negative 1, minus 1. And that's it. Isn't that so amazing? That's the whole solution. Ipapasok, standard form pala. Pero, usually okay na to. Ipapasok mo lang siya ng ganyan. Pero, standard form, guys, is kailangan magkasama si x and y on one side, tapos yung isang number is on the other side. And call mo na agad, kakasimula lang natin. May I go to the CR? Sige. Ba't ang dami nyo nagsi-CR, guys? Mahirap talaga siya, okay lang yan. If you have any questions, just ask. Ano po yung x sa y? What do you mean? Hindi siya, yung x is just x. Yung y is just y. Yung x and y, yung values sa Cartesian plane. Pero yung m and b, yun yung numbers talaga. So, as you can see dito, may value si m, may value si b. Y-intercept is b. So, yun yung pinalit lang natin. Same lang yung format nito dito. Kita nyo ba? Okay, I'll give you another example. Ang gulo, no? Di ko alam kung ano ba ako sa kanya. Wow! Pin ba natin yan? Wag na. Mamaya kita ipipin. When you're naturally good at math since you're a kid. I liked math when I was a kid, I guess. Yeah, I liked math a lot. Is this a review? Yes, this is a review or answer. We're first reviewing and then we're gonna answer questions after na-gets na natin yung lesson. So, mahirap kasing equation of the line if hindi mo gets at all. So, we're trying to explain the entire lesson muna from scratch. Tapos, pwede na tayo, magsasagot din tayo ng questions. Okay, what grade? This is grade 8, guys. Hindi ba grade 8 ang equation of the line? Feel ko grade 8 namin inaral. Thank you, Gianna, for the gifts. Yes, I'll upload it on YouTube, guys. I'm uploading everything on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe over here. Okay, so I'll give you an example and then you give me the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. If slope is equal to 3 and y-int is equal to 5, what is the slope-intercept form? Okay, type it, guys. Blurred sa akin. Sa akin hindi naman. Tinry ko siya panoorin. Better to, hanggang 1080p ata yung kaya nung sa YouTube. Pwede mo din siya i-zoom in. Kailangan may equal sign, guys, yung equation of the line. May equal sign yan. Y is equal to yung sagot. Y is equal to blank, blank, blank. Let's see. Let's wait for... Ayaw ma-send. Dapat Y is equal to... Hala, wala nga nasa-send. Is anybody answering? MTOP? Yes, I used to join the MTOP. The equation of the line is this. We just started, by the way, on equation of the line. But all you have to do is try to get the equation of the line. So, what an equation of the line is kapag nilagay mo siya sa isang graphing calculator, ito yung equation of the line niya over here. Yung tinatype mo dito, pag tinype natin siya, okay, let's type another number. What was our answer kanina? So, ito type ko na, y is equals to 3x plus 5. Yes, chimay. Di ma-send. Bawal ata yung equal sign, guys. So, just put equals. Y, 3x minus y is equal to negative 5. Let's see. So, yung standard form, guys, dapat x and y magkasama sa left is equal to the number here. So, okay, let's draw it in slope-intercept form first. This will be y is equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, ganyan lang siya. That's the whole answer. Pero if gagawin standard form, kailangan mausog natin si x sa kabilang side. So that will become negative 3x plus y is equal to 5. Pero usually, gusto din nila na positive yung x. So, paano yun? Yung y yung uusog natin dito. Y, move it here. Negative 5, move it here. So that will be 3x minus y is equal to negative 5. So, tama yung nagsabi kanina ng standard form. It's so hard, guys. So hard. I feel like it's a, brain overload. Am I right? Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. True, brain isn't braining. Mahirap talagang slope-intercept form. Kaya maganda din na live na may feedback. Actually, diba, I want to make YouTube videos na tutorials. Pero feel ko, hindi ko siya ma-explain without understanding kung alin yung hindi nyo maintindihan. Kasi ako, diba gets ko na, so, mahirap malaman kung saan dapat bagalan. Ba't po naging negative 3? Kasi kanina, inusog lang natin. When you transpose, diba, pag magta-transpose tayo, need mo siya, or pagdadaan siya ng equation, or ng equal sign, kailangan mabago ng sign niya. Hindi pa tayo nagtatrigo, Chloe. Fastest time sa 3x3. I wasn't a speed cuber, so probably like, I feel like in my prime, I did like 30 seconds. So that isn't super fast. But now, it takes maybe like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Multiply by negative 1. Yes, pwede mo siya i-multiply by negative 1. Okay. There's another question here. M is equal to negative 3/4 and y-intercept is 2. Ano yung sagot, guys? This M is equal to negative 3/4, y is equal to 2. What are we gonna do? All you have to do is y is equal to negative 3/4. Copy nyo lang yung M. And then put the x number. Y-intercept is 2, so plus 2. Okay, ganyan siya. Trigo is hard. Nico, if you're there, can you answer if trigo is hard sa UPCAT? Yes, y is equal to negative 3/4 x. John, don't forget the x, guys. Y and x. B, don't forget the y. Make sure to put both y and x, guys. Kailangan nandun si y and si x sa lahat ng equation of the line. Okay. So, ayan ang sagot. And then, ginagawa nilang standard form. Ba't kaya? Pero, I'll teach you guys how to get standard form. So, we've been stopping. Dito tayo nagsistop. Paano siya gagawin standard form? Dapat daw, positive ba si x? Dapat positive si x and walang fraction. Bakit po positive 2? Kasi positive 2 nakalagay dito. Y is equal to mx plus b. Pag negative yung intercept, tsaka lang magiging negative yung, minus. Bye! Are you leaving? Don't leave, guys. We're here to teach you equation of the line. I know it's hard, but we can do this together. I promise. We're gonna do this together. Nico, what did you say? Confusing lang yung trigo. Okay. More on what yung sa trigo? Is it like, I think cosine, mga ganun, basic trigo lang. Pero confusing nga daw. Bakit positive yung 3/4? O nga no. O nga no. Negative yan, negative dapat. Kasi naging negative siya here. Mali lang sila. Pero negative yan. So, anong unang gagawin, guys? The first thing to turn it into standard form is i-multiply mo yung multiply everything to the denominator. So, ang ginawa niya, multiply by 4 both sides. So, ang mangyayari dyan, magiging 4y. Tapos, ito, magiging 3. Ba't nawala yung x? May x dito, guys. Negative 3x, tapos 2 times 4 is 8. Do you have questions? Okay. Sine and cosine, pero may ilan din na sec and cosecant. So, pagdating sa, sa trigo, more on basic trigo, pero it will be confusing. So, if you have any UPCAT questions, Nico is an actual UPCAT taker here. An actual UPCAT taker. Yes, Nico is just, doing crochet. So, if you have crochet needs, go to Nico. He is in UP Manila. Mindanao. M kasi. The pressure. In-advertise, Nico. Okay. Okay, so, all you have to do, ayan, inusog lang nila. Yung negative 3x dito, tinranspose and nilagay sa kabilang side. Tapos, magiging positive na siya dito. 3x plus 4y is equal to 8. So, yun na yung sagot. Gets nyo ba? Comment gets if gets. If hindi gets, uulitin natin, guys. Kaya natin yun to. Or just ask what part you don't understand. So, minultiply lang siya by 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Negative 3/4 x is equal to negative x. Oh, gets daw. Amazing. You guys are amazing. Valid yun po ba if hindi dinivide sa 4, pero standard form na? Depende sa choices. So, minsan, iusog lang dito yung negative 3/4, tas okay na yun. Actually, for me, okay na yun eh. Pero, minsan ginagawa nilang ganito. Depende din sa teacher. I actually haven't studied equation of the line in so long. Hindi yan kailangan sa college. Char. Pero, depende, siguro. Okay. Hala. Okay. We're done with slope-intercept form, guys. So, yun na yun. Dalawang question. All you have to do again, ipapasok mo lang si M, ipapasok mo si B. Given na usually si M and B, so, ang tinatanong dyan, pagdating sa equation of the line, when they say, what is, given slope and intercept, what is the slope-intercept form? Or itatanong dyan, what is the point-slope form? So, need mo i-memorize kinda the names of the slope or what type of form it is. Okay? So, we're going to the second form, and then let's see if kaya na natin ma-solve. Hindi na natin kailangan tong 2-point. Okay? We're just gonna do 2 forms, and then try na natin sagutan yung mga questions. Okay? Okay. Point-slope form. All you have to remember, pag buo yung x, okay, I'll highlight in orange yung mga hindi isa-substitute. So, y and x. Yan yung mga hindi isa-substitute. Yung y sub 1 dito, okay, when do you use point slope form? Kapag may given na isang point. For example, okay, I'll show you the example later. And then lahat ng y, yellow dito, kailangan siya i-substitute. What's m, guys? M is the slope. M is the slope, and x sub 1, y sub 1 is a point. Remember, yung coordinates ng point is x sub 1, y sub 1. So, pag may sub 1, ibig sabihin value yan. Value. May value siya, guys. For example, find the equation of the line given a point and a slope. So, as you can see dito, hindi given yung y-intercept. Ano difference niya sa kanina? Yung given kanina is m and b. B is the y-intercept. Pero dito, ang given tayo ay isang buong point. Hindi siya y-intercept. Okay? Grade 9, I feel like grade 8 or grade 9. Ano po ginagawa sa refresher sa review center? Usually, gantong lesson din. Pero more, sa review center kasi, they're more on answering questions. Tapos, onting explanation na lang. We ain't listening? What do you mean you're not listening? That's so... Civil, I'm not so sure. Pero ang gagawin natin, guys, so all you have to do is copy the format. Y minus y sub 1. Which one? Alin yung y dito, guys? Is it 4 or negative 2? Is it 4 or negative 2? 4 or negative 2 yung y? Edi don't listen, walang nagtanong. So real. Why are they haters? Negative 2, guys. Okay, remember, this is x sub 1. This is x sub 1. This is y sub 1. So, this will be y minus negative 2. So, dito pa lang, pwede mo na siya i-plus. Remember, y minus negative 2 is equal to m is negative 1/2. Ipapasok mo lang dito yung negative 1/2. Tapos, times x minus 4. X minus 4. Ang hirap naman nun. Okay. So, we've gotten here y plus 2. So, yung y minus negative 2 dito, hala putol, which one? My screen or me? My face? Lag daw. Wait lang, guys. Uulitin natin. Hina internet. Okay, wait. Let me just check my internet. Ba't kasi ganyan? Umuulan kasi, guys, eh. Okay naman. Lag daw. Baka you're all in one place. Bigyan na slide. Okay. Video paused? Ako po. Okay. Log. Algebra, we've taught algebra. Yes, we also teach algebra. Okay, so what do we do next? Let me just lock in right now. I have to lock in. So, from here, guys, hindi pa tayo titigil dyan. Need natin siya. Okay, I'm gonna start again. All you have to do again, yung naka-orange dito, yan yung i-keep as y. As you can see, y yan. Y. Ito si x. Ito si x. Tapos yung iba, isa-substitute na. So, dapat given yung values niya. Yung y sub 1 is yung y sub 1 dito. Kita nyo ba? So, magiging y minus negative 2. Y minus negative 2, dito nang galing yung negative 2. Is equal to, ikakopy nyo lang siya. Y is equal to 1/2. M is 1/2. Paano nakuha yung m? Nandito si m. Okay? M is over here. Tapos, x, ikakopy mo lang si x, minus x sub 1. Si x sub 1, dito nang galing, sa 4, negative 2. So, kailangan siya ng point, okay? Yung point given is 4, negative 2. Dito nalagay si negative 2. Dito nalagay si 4, okay? Tapos, from there, guys, sana di ko mahanap value ko para walang substitute. What? Mas okay mahanap value mo. What? What is that metaphor? May assignment ako, ito na lang example mo. No. Okay, let's continue. So from here, guys, need lang siya i-simplify. So nandito na tayo, 'di ba? Y is equal to negative 2, pwede na siya gawing positive 2. Bakit siya naging positive? You cancel yung negative sign, dalawa yung negative, kaya maka-cancel siya. So it will become y plus 2 is equal to 1/2 x minus 4. Tapos, yung ginawa niya, pwede na mag-stop dito usually. If yung choices wala pa dito, that's when you continue. So, yung ginawa niya ulit, kapag may fraction, yung ginagawa ng book na to, for some reason, minumultiply niya lahat by 2. Multiply by 2 both sides. Multiply by denominator. denom. Multiply by denominator. So, minultiply niya both sides ng ganyan. 2, tapos 2. Tapos, ang mangyayari dyan, magiging 2y, eto siya, plus 4, 2y plus 4. Mawawala yung 2 dito. Magiging negative 1. Risking my load for this? No, Ika. If you guys, it's okay if you can't watch it right now. I will be uploading the YouTube video naman. So, if it's hard for you, or if mas magastos ba sa load yung live, I'm not sure. But yes, you can watch it on YouTube if you can't watch it right now. Thank you for following. Kahit anong gawin ko, hindi ko kayang ipagpalit ka. Wow! Okay, thank you for following, guys. If you're new here, make sure to follow. We try to make math easy, but it's been hard so far. So, ang ginawa next dito, guys, is pinasok yung negative sign. So, naging negative x plus 4. Tapos, all you have to do is put it all together. Yung negative x, ililipat sa left side kasi dapat nasa left side ang x and y. Okay? So, magiging x plus 2y is equal to 0. Paano siya naging 0? Kasi, yung 4 nilipat sa kabilang side, naging minus 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Thank you for sharing the live, Kurt. If you're new here, make sure to follow. And then, yes, we might do easier questions after this, but we just have to get through. We have to get through the equation of the line, guys. There's no way of skipping it. It's gonna be part of the UPCAT. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Kala ko ba suspended? Kahapon yun. My YouTube's over here. The red text over here. Maroon Blue Book, you don't have to buy it, guys. It's not worth it for me. Wala din siyang lessons. Hindi katulad nitong book na to, may lessons. Ito. Look at this. Tara cutting. Hello, maalis na sila. Ba't nawala yung 1/2? Minultiply by 2 both sides. Multiply by 2 both sides para mawala si 1/2. Okay? 0 po ba, ate? Not always 0. Naging 0 lang siya kasi 4 yung dito. Nilipat yung 4 sa kabilang side. So, naging minus 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Usually, may number dito. Okay? Saan po galing yung plus 2? Nasa yung plus 2? Itong plus 2y. Dito siya. Ito siya, oh. Plus 2y. Nilipat lang yung x. So, naging x plus 2y. Okay. Mga nag-cutting. Stop na. Guys, do we stop? Paano yung 2y, yung y, pogets ko? Paano naging 2y? We multiplied everything by 2. But natin minultiply by 2 para mawala yung fraction dito. And because para mawala yung fraction dito, kailangan ma-multiply din sa kabilang side. Kaya tayo nag-multiply ng 2 dito. 2y becomes 2y. Tapos naging 4 ito. Yung sa y plus 2. Saan nanggaling yung plus 2? From here, diba remember, it's y minus negative 2. Dahil negative sign sila pareho, magiging positive sign siya. So, y minus negative 2, yung nasa formula natin. And then, because negative minus negative, magiging positive. Thank you for following. If you do you have more questions? Ba't po hindi nagalaw yung negative x minus 4? Kasi dito siya na minus. Dito siya na multiply. Kasi this is the fraction outside it. Paano pa naging positive 4? Nasaan? Ito. Dinistribute niya yung negative sign. Kita mo yung negative sign dito? Dinistribute sa loob. Naging negative x, tapos naging positive 4. Any more questions, guys? Paano po yung kung multiply po both sides, bakit po hindi 8 yung 4? Okay. Bakit hindi 8? I'll show you. Yung ginawa kasi dito, guys, ito yung isang side. Wait, I'll show. This is one side, and this is the other side. The two sides of the equation. So, may fraction dito sa labas. Siya yung multiplier. So, yung 2 na minultiply dito lang siya na-multiply. Dito lang siya minultiply nung una. Okay? Masakit talaga sa ulo, guys. Pero kaya natin to. Okay, we can go to the questions so you can get it na. Okay, should we skip to the questions or do you still have to explain it? Dito na siguro ako tatalino. Pag may fraction, i-multiply by denominator. Pero hindi ko lang kung ganun lagi. Minsan kasi okay na yung may fraction. Okay, questions. Let's try this one first, guys. So, let's try the second one. given this point and this slope, what is the point slope form? Point slope form. So, dito sa number 2, gawin natin yung number 2, guys. Shortcut, mabilis lang to, guys. All you have to do is y minus, yung y dito, y minus 0 is equal to m. Okay, just memorize this formula. It's not hard, I promise. We can do it together. It's not hard. M is negative 4 times x minus negative 1. Saan nanggaling yun lahat? Remember, y is equal to y minus y sub 1. So, this is y minus y sub 1 is 0 over here. Standard form ba pag both x and y on one side? Yes, migol. Dapat x and y on the left, tapos yung coefficient sa right side. Yes, kung anong denominator, yun ang i-multiply. Yes. Headache, kaya... Ganun talaga, guys. We're gonna get there. We're almost done. We just have to get through today together. Okay? Let's see what happens next. Yes, you have to review today. In your opinion, would the set reviewers help with senior high entrance exam? Yes, pero if it doesn't apply to grade 7 to 10, you can skip it na. Okay? Recorded, yes, the lives are recorded. They will be posted on YouTube in case you guys are having a hard time right now. Bye, Rutherfordium. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye. Say, guys. Okay, we're just gonna finish this one. So, y minus 0 is equal to negative 4x minus 1. Okay? How do we... So, nandito na tayo sa part na to. Kapag minus negative 1, magiging plus na siya, guys. Okay? Kaya siya y minus 0 is equal to negative 4x plus 1. And then, all you have to do is distribute the negative 4. Magiging negative 4x minus 4. Tapos, ililipat mo lang yung 4 sa kabilang side. Magiging 4x plus y is equal to negative 4. Which topics na po na-cover nyo? So far, we've done algebra and basic geom. And general math. Algebra, basic geom, and general math. What's the meaning of factoring? Factoring is, for example, itong 4x minus 4. Pag tinanggal mo yung common factor nila, so pareho silang divisible by 4, that's just equal to 4 times x minus 1. So, nilabas lang yung factor niya. Required by grade 11 grades? Yes, ata. Alam ko required ang grade 11 grades. Okay, so we're gonna go now to the questions, guys. Let's see if kaya na natin siya sagutan. This is actually very overwhelming, I understand. Pero need talaga siya aralin, guys. Hindi pwedeng puro basic lang. Kasi kayo, yes, kayo din mahihirapan. The quality is deteriorating? What do you mean? Of what? You have to be specific. Kaya ko to. Yes, Isa Leonard. Kaya to, guys. Anong course? My course is Management Engineering. But if you're asking for a UP course, I picked Industrial Engineering. Okay. Here, okay. What is the equation of the line in standard form with slope 0 and y-intercept 1? So, una nyong gagawin, guys, is titignan nyo muna kung alin yung given. So, given si slope and given si intercept. So, ang gagawin natin ay slope-intercept form. Remember, slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. So, yun yung dalawa lang na you have to remember, kinda. You have to remember those two. Y is equal to mx plus b. What do we do next? Y, copy y, is equal to slope 0. So, 0 times x plus b is negative 1. So, minus 1. So, y is equal to negative 1. Right? So, the answer is, standard form, guys, dapat nandito sa kabilang side yung 1. Hala, ba't wala dito yung sagot? Okay, so, I guess letter B is the standard form. So, letter B lang yung tama. So, letter B na lang. Kala ko standard form is nasa kabilang side. Pero sige, yan na lang. Letter B is the answer. Ba't kanina yung standard form niya nasa right side? I'm not sure. What year? I just graduated, guys. I graduated maybe 20 days ago. So, if you don't know me, welcome to the live. I'm Julia. I was gonna say I'm a fourth year. I just graduated from Ateneo. I was a full scholar. And yeah. But I also passed UP, but I chose to go to Ateneo. What job will you have? That's a good question. We don't ask about jobs here. Just kidding. I don't know yet, guys, but I'm still doing I'm still doing an internship for my scholarship. Ateneo, congrats. Are you in Ateneo now? 'Di ba AX plus BY equals C ang standard form? So standard form is AX plus BY is equal to C daw ang standard form. I just graduated college, guys. We didn't take the UPCAT, pero I passed UP. So during my time, I applied in 2020. So they literally canceled the UPCAT, but I reviewed for like 5 months. Yes, was a full scholar na. I reviewed for 5 months, guys, kasi March na start mag-suspend, 'di ba? Tapos hindi na nagkapasok ulit. Pero nag-enroll na kami sa review center. So naging online yung review center. Tapos ayun, 5 months, like we studied for 5 months kasi hindi nila in-announce agad na maka-cancel yung UPCAT. So it was UPCAT. And then, tinanggal nila yung T. It became UPCA. So, the T is the test. Naging UP college admissions na lang siya. Okay, so they based on grades. So, I don't know if that was good or not. But for me, okay lang sa akin. Sa ang review center, I don't promote it. I don't promote the review centers. You can study without it, guys. Do you plan to take your masters? That's so crazy. So, grabe ang ano tawag dun? What do you call the, like, I don't know yet, guys, if I will. Self-reviewing, you have to start talaga by answering questions and finding out your weak points. And if alam nyo na yung weak points, for example, guys, this equation of the lines, kaya nyo na ba ito sagutan right now without help? If hindi nyo siya kaya sagutan, you have to go look up equation of the line and di nyo siya i-solve. Like, find out how to solve each question you can't answer. So that's what you have to do. You have to find out how you can't solve, or how to solve the questions you can't answer. So, yes, let's try this one. That's what I would do. Kaya, if you guys are still here, a lot of people left because I feel like this topic is hard. But if you're here, ako yung weak. If you're here, that means you're strong enough to keep trying. Wow! Nag-speech. Chin, nakatulog ka. It's okay. It's okay, guys. Mahirap talaga siya. Maybe they're gonna watch it in the, sa recording. Okay. Number 35. What is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form with slope negative 9/5 and y-intercept 4? Remember, again, all you have to do, ipapasok mo lang siya sa y equals mx plus b. Y is equal to negative 9/5 plus x, remember x, plus 4. So, what is the answer? It's letter B, right? Letter B. So, all you have to do is ipapasok mo lang siya sa equation. Thank you, Ava. It's B. So, the answer is letter B. So far, we've gotten 2 B's. Yes. B for banal. Shout out from Bilibid. Sana makasama ka namin dito. B for Bilibid, guys. You're tired now? We can end at 9:30, guys. Let's just do a few more. Okay. Hala, graph na tayo. Okay, what about this one? I taught this last time, guys. What is the slope of a horizontal line? When it's horizontal, what's the slope? I already told you this. Is it undefined, 1, 0, or cannot be determined? Okay, wait. I'm putting up a poll just to see how many of you are actually correct. I'm gonna put up a poll. So, remember, iba yung horizontal sa vertical. Iba yung slope ng horizontal sa vertical. Let me just put up a poll. Magpo-poll na tayo, guys. Start new poll. 2 minutes. Start. Okay, we're starting the new poll. 2 minutes. Is it letter undefined or zero, sabi niya. Is it undefined or zero? You have to pick one. It's either undefined or zero. So, the difference, guys, remember, pag pataas or pag paganto yung sign niya, this is a positive slope. And then, pag paganto siya, negative slope siya. Tapos, pag vertical or horizontal, dun na nagkakalituhan. So, actually, kailangan din to sa trigo. Okay, alam na pala ng mga tao. But, yes, majority said letter A. Actually, the answer is letter A. So, paano malalaman? Basta, batas yan, guys. So, horizontal, slope is equal to 0. And then, for vertical, slope is equal to undefined. So, wala siyang slope. Pero pag ito, slope is equal to 0. Okay? So, yes, the answer is letter A. Give the slope of the line that contains negative x 4 and negative 8, 8. Remember, okay, so what we're gonna do here is solve na natin. We're gonna stop the poll. I'm gonna restart the poll to answer this. What is the solution here, guys? Remember, the slope is equal to negative, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, all you have to do is minus and minus over minus and minus. So, it will be negative 8 minus 4 over negative 8 minus negative 8. So, what is rise over run? Yes. So, what is the answer? People aren't voting yet. Make sure to vote, guys. It's over there sa taas. Nasa taas ang voting. Good old days. You miss this? I don't miss this. This is the boring parts of math. Okay, madaming votes sa A, B. Hala, mas madami na yung B. Is it B? Is it B or A? B, A. Madami din sa C. Hala, nanguhula ba kayo, guys? Sagutan niyo yan. Hello to the 1K viewers. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. We're doing equation of the line today. And then, let's see what our topic will be tomorrow. So, we go live every day. If you're new here, just make sure to follow. The UPCAT is in how many days? 23 plus 25 days. Hala, ang bilis, guys! 25 days na lang. Ready na ba kayo? Feel ko hindi pa. Char. So, let's solve it. Okay, 30 seconds left. Letter B ang sagot ng mga tao. This will give us negative 12 over, dahil negative 8 minus 8 yan, magiging positive siya. So, it will be negative 8 plus 8 will give you 0. And dahil bawal ang 0 sa ilalim, it will become undefined. Okay, undefined ang slope. Okay, remember, paano maalala pag undefined? Kita mo pa lang dito, the shortcut is, kita mo dito na same ang x nila. Same ang x nilang dalawa. Pag same sila ng x, hindi yun pwede, diba? Like, pangit yun. Hindi yun girl code daw, sabi nila. So, yes, the answer, pag same ang x, undefined agad siya. Kasi ano ba itsura ng same yung x? Ang itsura niyan is, for example, this x is 2, diba? Yung x niya dito, ay, gawin natin negative 8. This is negative 8 over here. Yung x ng isa ay dito, and then nandito yung isa. So, magiging vertical line siya. And alam natin na pag vertical line, undefined yung ano. Nag-chat ka sa IG, I'll check it out. Yes. Dude, you have to chill. What did he say, guys? What did he say? Is there a hater in the chat? That's crazy. Wala po akong ex. Sana all. Pag same yung ex, malandi yan, sabi niya. Hala, hindi ko nakita yung sinabi niya. Okay. Okay, so ang sagot ay... Hala, nasa na tayo? Ang sagot ay letter B. Puro letter B yung sagot natin for today, guys. Okay, we're doing this one next. Hello to the 1.1k people. Graph 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. How do we solve this, guys? Ang una nating pwedeng gawin ay we have to look for the slope. Ay, wag na. Mahirap pala yun. We're gonna look for the y-intercept. What is the y-intercept? Hala, dito na matetest ang inyong knowledge. What is the y-intercept? Remember, y-intercept is pag x is 0. So, ano gagawin? You need to solve for y. Solve for y. When x is 0, yes. So, walang x dito, which means 0 na agad yung x niya. What does it mean pag 0x niya? All you have to do is 3y is equal to, what's your answers, guys? 3y is equal to negative 12. Inusog natin sa kabilang side para mahanap natin or dapat maiwan mag-isa si y. Divide both sides by 3 para matanggal si 3 over here. And y is equal to negative 4. Negative 4 siya, guys. Okay. So, y-intercept is negative 4. So, need natin hanapin if dadaan siya sa negative 4. So, this one's negative 4 over here. Dumaan siya sa negative 4, so hindi pa siya x. We can say this is a check. Dumaan ba siya sa negative 4? Yung x, ay, y-intercept pala. Y-intercept means sa y dapat siya tumatama. So, this is the x-axis. X-axis to, hindi siya y-intercept. So, this is x na agad. X na natin yan. Next, does this pass the negative 4 y-intercept? No, it doesn't. Dito dapat siya dadaan, guys, kasi y-intercept ang hinahanap. Yeah. It doesn't pass the y-axis. Next, letter B. Does this pass the it doesn't pass this point. Dapat dito siya tatama. Kasi ito yung y-intercept. Hello, Jude. So, this is also wrong. And lastly, this one. So, ito dumadaan siya. So, it passes this exact point which we want. So, the answer is letter D. Okay? Dapat sa baba dadaan. Yes, dapat. Basta letter, ito lang yung dumaan eh. Basta yung point na yan dapat mismo. Okay? Another way to find out, guys, is by looking at the slope form or slope-intercept form. Remember, slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. So, this will be 3y is equal to 12 kasi walang x. So ibig sabihin, 0 yung x. Pag 0 yung x, ano ibig sabihin yan? So, slope, m, is equal to 0. And if slope is 0, guys, ano itsura ng graph? If slope is 0, what does the graph look like? Yes, negative 12 siya. Don't buy the maroon blue book, guys. I give out free reviewers on IG. So, check out the free reviewers. Horizontal, yes. Horizontal siya. And alin lang dito ang may horizontal line? Dahil m is equal to 0 or slope is 0, as you can see, m is equal to 0. Ito lang ang may horizontal line. Kaya letter D agad ang sagot. So, depende sa'yo which topic you amazing, they're saying. Which topic do you think is easier for you? It's easier ba to get the intercept form, y-intercept, or is it easier to get the slope? That's up to you. So, depende din yan sa choices. Depende, paano pag lahat horizontal, diba? Need mo na hanapin yung y-intercept. Or pag lahat sila dumadaan sa negative, kailangan mo malaman kung anong itsura ng graph. Yes. Yun yung iconic mo, yung amazing. Yes. Okay. Paano malalaman kung SPP, slope, is that slope-intercept? Oh, I'm not sure what SPP is right now. Okay, so next question. Which shows, another one, guys. Which shows the graph of x plus y is equal to 4. So this is up to you if which type you want to do. The first thing I would do, eliminate natin based on slope. Pa-screenshot. Yes, this is the Vitus Way girl. I'm gonna be giving this, guys. I'll be giving the annotated file. I'll upload it naman sa G Drive natin. So, I update the annotated file every after the live. So, just check it out on the G Drive. Make sure to join our IG channel so you guys can follow me and then join the IG channel. Nandun yung link. Nandun din sa IG highlights yung links. Thank you, Bread and Butter. Were you here last year? I feel like I know your name. Okay. What are we gonna do? We're gonna do number 39. X plus y is equal to 4. Ano yung slope niya, guys? Paul? Okay, wow. Yan yung gusto ko. Ay, sorry. Yan yung gusto ko. Competitive sila. Gusto nila ng Paul. Okay, make sure to test your intuition. Okay, if you solved it already, you can make your answers. Is it A, B, C, or D? And then, if you haven't solved it, or if you don't know how to solve it, just click an answer in the poll. A lot of the UPCAT is just guessing, guys. And make sure to not leave anything blank on the UPCAT. So, if this is your time, if you don't want to solve right now, just test your intuition. Which do you think is the correct answer? And it's best not to look at the chat. First thing we're gonna do, what is the slope? Did somebody tell me what the slope is? So, remember, turn it into y is equal to mx plus b. So, ibig sabihin nito, need natin ilipat si x sa kabilang side. This will be y is equal to negative x plus 4. Dito pa lang, kita na natin na slope is, what is slope? Negative 1. Slope is equal to negative 1. Pag negative ang slope, guys, kailangan pababa siya. Okay? From left to right, pababa. Hala! Mali na kayo agad. Char. Tignan natin. Actually, hindi ko pa sure. Hindi ko pa sure, guys. So, I'm not sure if this is right. Let's see. Let's keep going. Next step, what is the y-intercept? Y-intercept, what's the y-intercept? Can somebody tell me? Is it, kita na agad dito sa slope-intercept form? What's the y-intercept? Remember, b is the y-intercept. So, based dito, what's the y-intercept? Yes, y-intercept is equal to 4. So, dapat dadaan siya sa positive 4. So, look at positive 4 over here. It did not pass. Positive 4, dumaan siya dito. So, check muna natin yan. And then, dito, hindi siya dumaan. Dapat dadaan siya dito sa positive 4. X agad. And then, dito, dumaan siya. So, dalawa yung dumaan sa positive 4. Need na natin isipin, alin yung tama? Pag ganon or pag ganon? Pag ganto or pag ganto? Hala, B ang sagot ng mga tao. Okay, the actual way we can get this is we're gonna graph it. Because B ang sagot ng mga tao, but I think it's letter C. Bakit siya letter C? Kasi negative ang slope, guys. Pag negative ang slope, kailangan pababa siya. Pababa ang negative slope. Going down like a slide. Ito, pataas, which means positive ang slope niya. So, the answer is C for Christ for me. But just to make sure, guys, if you don't trust me, let us look at the graph. X plus y is equal to 4. Hala, yun yung question natin kanina. Here. X, delete, plus y. Asa na siya? Enter. Wow! X plus y is equal to 4. And as you can see, ayan na guys, pababa ang slope niya. Ito mismo yung graph niya. Dito, dumadaan siya sa 4 over here. Ito yung x-axis niya. Tapos, it's blurred. Yeah, blurred talaga siya. I don't know how to, it can't even zoom in. But yes, that's what it is. Basta, kita nyo pababa siya. The quality is low. I don't know what to do, guys. It doesn't look blurry on my end. Should we end the live at 9:30? What is the slope? Okay. Basta, the answer is letter C. Letter C. Hala. Ay, letter B. Tama sila. Tama pala sila. Letter C. Ay, letter B. Kasi ito ang letter B. My bad. I thought it was A, B, C, D. So, actually, you guys were right. The answer is letter B. Letter B ang sagot. Pero basta ito yung sagot. If you thought this was C, ito pa rin yung tamang sagot. So, yes. The answer is, kala ko din C yung sa baba. So, ito yung letter B, guys. Ito yung letter B. Kala ko C siya kanina. Basta pababa dapat. So, if you pick this graph, it is correct. B po yung sa quarter 3 pertaining to the Cartesian. What? Cartesian? A nga yung nandito. What? Kala ko C yun. Kala ko din C. Okay, so B or C. Basta, letter, kung ito yung napili nyo, ito yung tamang sagot. Okay? This is the correct answer. Yung pababa siya. Tapos, dumadaan siya sa 4. So, B ang tamang sagot according to the choices here. Next question. I'm gonna drink water and put up the poll. Restart the poll. What is the slope of the line? Very basic, guys. What you have to do is y is equal to mx plus b. Always remember this, y is equal to mx plus b. So, kailangan maiwan nyo ito mag-isa. Go do that right now. Dapat positive ang y. Excuse me. Dapat positive ang y. Sabi niya, feel ko A. Yes, manghula kayo guys. If hindi nyo alam, hulaan nyo na lang. Better to answer the poll. Make sure to test your intuition. Hello, lumpiang sinigang. Okay, letter A daw. A bang sagot, guys? Paano gagawin? Okay. So, y is equal to mx plus b ang formula. So, dapat maiwan mag-isa si y. So, ang gagawin natin, lilipat natin siya sa kabila. Itong 54, ililipat natin dito. So, that will give us 3y is equal to 9x minus 54. And dapat maiwan mag-isa si y. So, we're gonna divide everything. We're gonna divide everything by 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. This will give us y is equal to 3x minus 18. JC, ang tanong is the slope, not the y-intercept. So, yes. Negative 3y siya, guys, pero nilipat natin sa kabilang side. Remember what happens when you move it to the other side? Pag dumaan siya sa equal sign, magiging positive siya. So, kailangan kasi natin siyang gawing positive. Kasi dapat positive yung y. Okay? Bawal po ba 9x na lang i-transpose? Pwede din, pero negative pa rin yung 3y. Ang mangyayari dyan, i-multiply mo everything by... You'll have to multiply everything by negative 1 pa. So, ang mangyayari dyan, it will be negative 3y is equal to negative 9x plus 54. Eh, hindi nga pwede negative dito, guys. So, ang mangyayari dyan, or you can just divide by negative 3. Divide everything by negative 3 kasi kailangan maiwan si y na positive. Bakit divide everything by negative 1? Kasi bawal negative si y. So, yes, bawal negative si y. Kailangan positive siya. Kaya yung shortcut dyan, ang shortcut ay si y ang mag-a-adjust. If negative siya, siya yung kailangan lumipat. Gets nyo ba? Yung x lilipat if positive si y usually. Okay? My course is Management Engineering. It's gusto mo criminology? No thanks. No thanks. ChatGPT ko. You can't use ChatGPT, guys. No calculators in the UPCAT. Only brains. So, yes. Palimas ng brains. So. Wala akong maintindihan. Okay lang yan. We are here to teach you, guys. You can ask questions. Last na ba to? Last na ba yun, guys? Are we done? So, the answer is letter A. Bakit letter A? Kasi, remember, mx, m is equal to 3. mx, so yung katabi lang ng x, yun yung sagot. Okay? Uwian na. Tama na daw. Tama na daw, guys. Okay, wait. While we're waiting, wait. I'm gonna put up a poll. Do you guys want to continue or not? So, happy face, one more question. Sad face, tama na. Happy face, one more question. Sad face, tama na. While I look up my, third year. Here. I'll show you guys what it's like to study my course. So, this is, for example, ganito yung inaaral namin. Ay, wag yan. OR2. Gusto ko OR1. SEM1. SMEG-SEM. Ganito yung inaaral namin, guys. Masaya siya. So, for example, hala, ayan. Basta mahirap siya, pero masaya. Module 3. Ganyan siya, guys. Mga matrix. Happy face, continue. Sad face, stop, by the way. Make sure to, SMEG-SEM ba yan? Hindi yan SMEG-SEM. Hindi ko mahanap 1A, 1B. Ganito yung inaaral namin. Fixed cost. Basta may ganyan. May numbers and then my letters. If this is equal to this, then this, then this. Minimize with the summation. Okay, so happy face 1. We live in a democracy. So, we're gonna continue going to the next question. Pero after, thank you for the hand heart, Odin. Welcome back to the live. Odin, I told you half of that goes to TikTok. So, if you're fine with that, it's okay. But if you spend 200 and then, 100 and then 50 pesos goes to TikTok, isn't that so crazy? But I guess they gotta earn. So, okay, let's see this question, guys. Madali lang naman ata siya. Find the x and y intercept of y is equal to 8x minus 8. So, anong gagawin? X-intercept muna tayo, guys. What's the x-intercept? I'm putting up the poll, by the way. Putting up the poll. X-intercept muna gagawin natin. How do you get x-intercept? You have to set y equal to 0. For y-intercept, set x equal to 0. Letter D daw ang majority as of now. Letter B ba? Isa pa lang nag-letter B. So, what do we do? set y is equal to 0. So, this will be 0 is equal to 8x minus 8. Ginawa lang natin 0 yung y. So, how do we solve this? Ilipat natin si negative 8. It will be 8 is equal to 8x. Divide both sides by 8 para mawala si 8. Maiwan si x. X is equal to 1. So, the x-intercept is 1. Did you get it wrong? Am I wrong? Ito lang yung may x-intercept na 1. Hala kayo, biglang nag-vote ng C. Kanina di ang majority kanina. Ganyan kayo. Ganyan kayo guys eh. Thank you for the gifts, guys. You don't have to send gifts, just make sure to follow. We are doing a free review here, so you don't have to be spending money over here if you don't have any money. Hala, ba't biglang dumami yung letter C? Ganyan kayo guys eh. Let's get the y-intercept. Y-intercept, you have to set y, diba, is equal to 8x minus 8. So, yung y-intercept, kailangan gawing 0 yung x. So, pag 0 si x dito, it will be 8 times 0. So, matatanggal na lang siya dyan. So, y is equal to negative 8. Y is equal to negative 8, and as you can see, negative 8 din siya dito. X is equal to 1, and y is equal to negative 8. So, the answer is letter C. Ganyan tayo guys eh. Letter D yung sagot nyo kanina. I don't get it. It's just intercepts. So, all you have to do is set y is equal to 0 kapag x-intercept. And pag y-intercept, set x is equal to 0. Kung alin yung hinahanap, yung opposite niya yung isa-set as 0. Okay? Yes. Okay, are we done, guys? Are we still going? What's going on? Okay. Do we still do one more? Let's see. Ay, iba na to. Okay, iba na yung... So, hindi pa natin to na-aral, which is yung conic section. So, if we can kinda end here, guys. We can end here. Or, maybe tomorrow, kasi ito yung next part, the geometry test B. Dito naman tayo sasagot. Asa na yan? Over here. So, ito na yung gagawin natin next. This is what we're gonna do next. I don't want science, guys. I don't want. Char. Let's see. Tomorrow na. Bukas na, guys. If ayaw nyo na, okay lang. Just make sure to follow. We're gonna... Conic sections after this part. So, tatapusin lang natin yung equation of the line parts na to. Kasi meron din siyang equation of the line parts over here. We done? We're done daw. Isa Leonard said we're done. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. Ba't ngayon kayo pumapasok kung kailan tapos na tayo? Ganyan kayo guys eh. Pag tapos na yung equation of the line. Takot ata sila sa equation of the line. Sure. Thank you for following. Ngayon na. Okay, eto na lang. Feel ko madali lang to. Ayaw nyo ba gawin? Do you want to answer this question, guys? Madali lang siya. Hindi nag-notif, nor. What time nag-start? 8 p.m. usually, guys. But for today, we started at 8:19, as far as I remember. So, we've been live for 1 hour and 18 minutes. Can I see the test number you solved? This is page 97. Kanina we are around page 89, ganun. Teach OR? I haven't tried. But, yes, I haven't tried teaching OR. That is our major subject. Okay, eto guys, madali lang. Remember slope-intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus b. Y is equal to mx plus b. Alin yung nasa form na yan? Very basic, guys. Which one is it? Kita nyo na agad eh. Dito pa lang sa y equals. Ay, I'll pull up the poll. Start the poll. Starting the poll. Is it A, B, C, or D? Last question for everybody before you leave. Yes, so basic. Kahit hindi nyo siya i-solve, kita nyo na agad. If memorize nyo, what is the slope-intercept form? You just need to know the actual pattern, which is y is equals to. So, dito pa lang, y is equals to na siya. Slope-intercept form has to start with y. Actually, ganun din pala yung point-slope form. Pero, ayun. As you can see, may x dito, tapos may plus. So, y is equal to mx plus b yung form niya, which is why the answer is this. So, yes, the answer is letter D. Very basic. We learned that all today. Aren't you guys proud of yourselves? This is a Samsung tablet. I use a Samsung tablet S9. Why is it negative 3, 8? Okay, we can solve it. So, what did they do? From negative 3x minus 8y is equal to negative 4, iniwan niya mag-isa si y. Dapat maging positive si y. So, what I would do, I'll usog 8 over here, 8y, and then ilipat natin si 4 dito. So, it will become 8y. My 8y is equal to negative 3x plus 4. So, from there, kailangan maiwan mag-isa si y. So, you divide both sides by 8. Divide everything by 8. So, that will give you, makakancel si 8 over here, makakancel si 8. It will be y is equal to negative 3 over 8x plus 4 over 8, which in lowest term is 1/2. Kaya the answer is letter D. Wow, amazing. We got that. Did you guys get that? Bye-bye, Lay. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow ulit, guys. This is our last question naman, so make sure to come back tomorrow. Yes, kailangan maiwan si y, hindi lang si x. Ano yung lowest term? For example, 4 over 8. 4 over 8, divide both sides by 4 kasi yung biggest factor niya ay 4. So, divide both sides by 4, that will give you 1/2. So, yung lowest term niya, kung saan siya, yun na yung pinaka-lowest niya. Thank you for following. We do lives every day, guys. So, if you're new here, see you tomorrow. Usually 8 p.m. So, yes, we'll be going live at 8 p.m. tomorrow. Yes, gets. Yeah. Make sure your assignment is to answer these ones if you want to. Page 96 onwards. And then, sasagutan natin bukas with the lessons. Amazing. Yes. Okay, thank you guys. The app we're using is Samsung Notes. So, actually, if you buy a Samsung tablet, it comes with a Notes app. Kaya, mas maganda na yung Samsung for me. Yes, where can I find it? This reviewer is free here on Instagram. If you want the annotated files, nasa 5th story siya sa review highlights. Pero if you want the blank file, nasa 1st story siya sa Instagram. I'll show you my phone. Wait, let me just get my phone. So, yes, if you guys are new here, make sure to follow. I give free reviewers on IG. So, follow my IG channel then para ma-update kayo kailan tayo magla-live. Pero usually, everyday live is at 8 p.m. naman. So, okay, let's go to my account. I'll show you guys. This is the review highlight. See this highlight over here? I'm gonna flip my screen just so you can see. Okay, if you... Hello to the 1.1k people. Make sure to follow if you guys are new here. Hala, ayaw mag-focus. Sige ka. Basta ayan, yung review highlight. Click the circle. This picture with my selfie, that's where the drive is, okay? It's inside this drive. If you go in there, nandyan yung free blank drives. But if you go all the way to the last one, this one has the annotated ones. You see this Google Drive over here? That has the annotated files. So there. Just pick what you want. If you want the blank one, nasa unang drive siya. The first one, the 5th one has the annotated one. I also upload the annotated one in the link in my channel. So yes, make sure to follow me, guys. I'll shout out the person following right now. Char. We're gonna leave soon, so yes. Annotated means kasama na yung mga sulat ko dito, guys. So if you wanna see the ones na sinagutan natin kanina, yung ganyan, if you want the answers included, I upload these files as well. Organic chemistry? No, that's crazy, Domi. Organic chemistry is the GOAT. Organic chemistry tutor, the GOAT. The number 1 GOAT. Shout out, Isa Lenor. Dati ka pa ata naka-follow, Isa Lenor. Everyday ka ata may shout out. Sana po in-upload. In-upload ko, kakasabi ko lang, guys. In-upload ko sa Instagram, okay? Just check out the Instagram. Nasa review highlight siya. So, check out my highlights. Yung pangalan ng highlights is review. Topic ng 33. 33, the topic is distance formula. All you have to do is put it in the distance formula. This is for the UPCAT. The UPCAT is the review. Not for the boards. Tablet Samsung S9. Okay, guys, we're gonna end soon. 9:40. Ano ba yan? Ang pangit ng number, Nico. 9:45. We have to end now. So, goodbye, guys. Nico, are you still there? Say goodbye to me. Char. Goodbye, Chin. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Domi. Make sure to follow and come back tomorrow if you're reviewing. But if not, it's okay. I'm waiting for Nico to say goodbye. Hindi aalis nang hindi nagbabay si Nico. Hello, umalis na si Nico, guys. Okay, bukas na. Is Nico still there? DOST, I passed DOST, guys, pero hindi ko siya na-take kasi yung course ko, hindi siya under ng DOST. Bye, somebody. See you tomorrow. Nico is gone. Yes, Nico is gone. Okay, guys, we'll be going now. Make sure to, yes, applicable din siya sa CSE. Make sure to, yes, come back tomorrow. See you all. Pa-shout out. Shout out, Sonchol. Electronic circuits are in physics. And we have, reviewers over there. But hindi ko pa siya natuturo ever. Pero I did review it before. Yes, this is the grade 8 topic. Shout out, Daniel. Hala, 9:46 na. Sige, alis na tayo, guys. Pangit yung 9:47. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Make sure to follow if you haven't yet. See you tomorrow, guys. Mas scary ang Bascal kaysa sa GenMat. Depende yan sa teacher, to be honest. Bye, Pachiko. Bye, Izelena. Bye, Chin. Bye, Ian. Bye, Ree. Bye, Nico. He left us. Nico left us, guys. Bye, ice cream. Bye, Gab. Bye, guys. See you all before it turns 9:47. Bye. Tomorrow, 8 p.m., guys, usually. Check the IG channel. Check the